Gandang umaga, are nga pala. Nakikita niyo ba ako? Wait lang. Ayan. Kita naman na siguro. Kahit pa paano. Wait. Dito na lang. Ayan. Kita tayo. Yeah, gandang umaga. Today nga pala ay pupunta tayo sa bahay nila Grace dahil mag-aalaga tayo ng bata. Mga bata pala. And magdadala ako ng sunscreen kasi paubos na yung isa ko. And sabi ko, pang bahay lang yun kasi pag malinis ang kamay ko, tsaka ko lang siya gagamitin. Or pang-unang sunscreen. That's the word. Anyways. Hindi ko tinatapon yung box kasi dito ko ilalagay yung lumang sunscreen. Tapos, wala lang, clip ko lang. And, buti na lang talaga itong camera ko ito dadalhin ko kasi gustong ipadala ng sister ko yung mga gifts niya. Gift. Meron pa isang sobra. I don't know. Maybe like this. Ito ang lagay ko sa loob. Ayan. Nagkakasan. You can see. Ayun. Okay na pala. And kayo, ilalagay ko dito. Magdadala pa tayo ng payong. Ay. Dala tayo ng payong. See that. Pakita ko nga pala ang aking outfit. Ay, sorry. Masyadong pakita ko nga pala ang aking outfit. My top is from, yung top ko ay from Old Navy. And my pantalon is from Old Navy din. And yeah, ganito itsura natin. May bag tayo ng Walmart. And payong and my bag. Dito ko kayo ilalagay mamaya. And ito isasabit ko sa aking aking dibdib para makapag-vlog pa rin tayo. Let's go! Ibabag ko ang cellphone ko. Yeah. Iwan ko tong tsinelas ko. Mamaya madala ko na naman sa labas. Let's go. 9:32 na. Parating na mga bata. Naririnig akong TV. Ito. Ay, marami. Hindi pa ganun kadumi. Hindi naman ganun kadumi. Kasi kakalinis lang ng nanay ko yan. Long time ago. Over the winter. Tapos ngayon ko lang summer na suot. Init. Walang kaanong tao sa labas, no? Ganyan lang. Pasok agad sa bahay. Tapos, meron namang mga naglalakad din. Ang babae. Kita niyo pa. Siya ang nagtatapas ng mga damo. Hindi magkakakilala ang mga magkakapitbahay dito. Hindi tulad sa Philippines. Oh, where's Millie and Jacob?
Here.
Yikes!
Hey, no, you broke.
Go get Eva yung mat on the side. You can use that. Tita Arya will help. Grab the other side.
I'm helping you.
Yes, thank you. Will you please? Too many chairs. Oh, there. How is this one? Oh,
He's one of the.
Ay. Don't move. Eva, what are you doing to Adin?
Hi.
You love his lips? You love her nose?
I'm pretending him that he talks.
Huh?
I'm pretending him he talks. Hey. You look like a baby. You like a tutu baby.
You're still a baby.
want a rice baby.
You guys are still a baby.
I'm not a baby.
How old are you?
Kid.
You're
I'm
a
a
kid.
kid. I'm a little. I'm
Where's Amelia?
Oh! There's the exit right over there.
Exit ba yun?
That's
Jacob,
Okay, come on to the car.
where's Dida?
What's in the car? No!
Are you guys happy? Don't touch the ceiling.
They're nice. They're nice. That's not a exit. This is
Jacob.
the exit. No! Why did you ruin this? No! This is mine. Hi! This is mine.
You see?
Where's that?
Jacob, you wanna see yourself?
Yes. Papa be good night, good night.
There you go. Nina and Jacob.
No. I like Peppa Pig.
Don't touch. Amelia! Bigay ko na. Look at this!
What are you doing? Fall apart.
Okay. Sit down, Amelia.
Okay.
Sit down. It's only Ate Mimi who will open, okay? You love your gifts? What will you say to Tita Mommy?
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh, this one. Oh, Vicky.
Yay.
Oh, you open that. You open that. Here, Vinny. Here, you open it from here. Oh, you can help Vicky. Okay, you have that. You have that.
There you go.
Look at. Yeah, look. Faster, faster, rabbit. Diba? Let them open.
That's all I get for.
Good job. Okay, wait.
That's close.
One more.
I got one.
Ready for the second one?
Hey, please.
Here, Ate Mimi.
Oh, yeah, bring it. Vinny, right here in the middle.
There. Good job. Thanks for helping.
Oh, another one.
Oh, where's the black bag? Yeah, Sebastian.
Wait, that's
Okay. You love it, Mimi? See? Tahimik yung dalawa. Ano to? Whoa! Nice ice cream. What flavor is that? Anong flavor yan?
Strawberry. Do you want?
Strawberry. Yes, please.
They're yummy.
Smells so good. Don't put it in your mouth, okay?
Because it's not even edible.
Yes, that's right, ate.
4, 5.
I like the toppings. What is this?
That's-
Blueberry?
Yes. Here goes some dinner.
No, put it on top. Wow. Oh, I like the bear too.
No.
The bear, that bear, please.
What that? What is?
Wow. Apple.
Who is it? Yellow or orange?
Nom, 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 nom.
You have to use your spoon.
Oh, spoon? Okay. Spoon.
That's all we have for decoration.
Nom, 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 nom. Just pretend.
Yay. Ate Molly going to give it to you. Ate Molly, can you make for Nina? Yes.
Oh, thank you.
18.
I want waffle, please. Waffle. Waffle, waffle. Wow. Thank you for helping with that. Thank you. Wow.
No!
Oh, you move it like this. You move it like that. So it won't get ruined. Ayan ang waffle yan. Thank you for waffle, Ate Millie. Ikot. Show them your ikot-ikot. You hold, okay? Be careful. Ah, sobrang ingay. Mayroon nagkakat ng grass. Action. Whoa. You're not dizzy? That was what? Be careful, okay? Oh. Dati din eh, ganyan kami. Nung mga bata kami, ganyan din kami. Now you're dizzy, huh?
No.
You sure?
No.
Sigurado ka? You sure?
Yeah. I'm sure I'm not dizzy.
Whoa.
Want a accessory? Nope.
Say no, thank you,
No,
ate.
thank you, Ate.
Wow, let me see your
Mimi, or
doll.
else, Mimi,
Let me
or
see.
else you want to get some jewelry.
Wow.
Mimi, do you want some jewelry? Nope.
Maybe later,
You're
ate.
never gonna
Jacob
get
is still
jewelry.
sleeping.
You're never gonna get jewelry. Only me.
Oh, oh, siya. Mayroon, no? Ito.
This is
There's one.
jewelry.
This is earrings. Oh, see?
This is for hair.
Oh. Oh, she got a bow.
This is
See?
for hair.
See?
Yeah.
What else? Oh, she got a...
These are for decoration.
Do you have...
These are for decoration,
Hairbrush?
Mimi. Yes. They need a hairbrush too.
Ooh.
Even I have a mirror.
Good job, Mimi.
Mimi. Mimi, you know what to get. And you don't get upset. Get Mimi, do you want mermaid clothes, yes or no? No.
No, thank
Okay,
you.
okay, so you're not coming, so your doll's not coming to the mermaid dress-up party, then, and meet Ariel.
It's okay. Maybe later. Say maybe later, ate.
Okay, Ariel gave
Wow,
you a
Mimi.
few more minutes. Ariel gave you minutes.
Okay, ate.
Mimi, it's gonna start soon. It's gonna start at 9 p.m. I mean, no,
9 p.m.
no. Yeah, because it's a night party.
Oh, okay.
It's the mermaid night party.
Oh, okay.
Your doll should come at 9 p.m.
No, it says 1 a.m. here. Look at her clock.
It's at 1 a.m.
Her clock says.
Oh, it's at 1. It's at 1 a.m.
Okay.
Your mom said to hurry up, quick, before the party's gonna end. Your party's gonna end soon. The party is not gonna end because it's a night party.
Sebastian, not like that, please.
Hey, Mimi. Put your thingy on it. Put your human on it. She will receive you some candy.
Inuuto mo lang yata si Mimi eh.
Candy, okay? Okay. She has candy. Wow, candy.
That's not candy. That's
No.
diamond.
No, I'm pretending. That's
Oh,
the
okay.
diamond wrapper.
Okay.
Mimi? Okay.
Wait, Ave.
But where's my orange popsicle? Right? No, my orange popsicle crying. Can you please borrow it? Please.
Okay, give it Ate Eva.
Yes. No. No. I don't have any orange popsicle. I don't have any.
Give her any orange.
No, give her that. She wants the
Okay, give it to her.
Take everything. Yay!
Wait, Avin. Pati ikaw na... Pati si Avin nakikiiyak. Kanina umuwi kami ng alas 3, pinakain ko na yun eh. Yung mga... Hindi namin nakain kanina. Umorder kasi si Chris ng sushi. Kasi si Eva nag-request ng sushi. Oh, that's Kuya.
Kuya! Kuya! I'm here! Kuya!
Lahat na lang. Is that Kuya? Kakauwi lang ni Chris at saka yung family niya. Pinaligo muna niya ako bago sila umalis.
Yes! It's
And naiwan ako sa dalawang ito.
No, 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 no.
Ay, yung kuya pala nila. Kuya Bashan is upstairs, right? Kuya Baskin is upstairs?
Kuya Bastion is upstairs, so let's
Yeah.
continue this.
So naiwan lang ako dito sa dalawang batang
Continue
ito.
the vlog and
Ava, what time is it?
it's 82:80.
82 what?
80. 82:80.
82:80. No.
No, on the clock.
Yeah, what time is it?
It says 8 and then 2 and 8 and another 8.
Oh, it's 8:28.
It's 8:28 today. So
8:28. it.
Guys, if you guys have any time, I sleep at 10. So
Time check, it is now 11:20 and kakauwi lang nila ate. Sinama niya yung dalawang niyang anak na babae, si Ava and Amelia. Pero yung panganay niya, si Sebastian, nagpaiwan. Kasi sabi ni Papa, kung gusto niya mag-sleepover, pwede. Total, wala namang pasok yung mga bata. Ano ba yung ginamot ko kahapon? Oh, I think retinol ako ngayon. Yeah. Anyways, mag-skincare lang tayo. Tapos, maybe konting cellphone. And matutulog na tayo kasi maaga tayo nagising kanina. Mga 7 something. Or 8. Oh yeah, yesterday 7 ako nagising. Tapos, today 8. Maaga na yung para sa akin kasi the usual na gising ko alas 9. Or maaga na sometimes 8. Yun, 8 or 9. Ayun ang gising ko. Pero pag late na late akong nagigising, 9 to 10. But depende kung nagpuyat ako ng gabi. Kasi I don't know. Anyways, dito ko na po i-close yung vlog. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!